from the sun warms the water and it turns into water vapor and rises up.
Condensation is when water vapor goes up to the clouds and it makes more clouds and it has to get heavy, cold, and it has to attach to dust. Precipitation is when clouds get Precipitation is when the clouds get very, very heavy and water droplets fall from the sky. It can be other things too, like rain, sleet, hail, and snow.
Runoff is when the precipitation from the clouds falls and it doesn't go through the earth, it doesn't go through the ground, it stays on top and it goes into lakes and oceans.
Groundwater is when precipitation falls into the soil and goes underground.
Transpiration is the release of water from the plants. The water vapor from the plant. The water cycle is all powered by the sun. Without heat for the water cycle, there would not be a water cycle.
Evaporation, condensation, precipitation, runoff, groundwater, transpiration, it's all powered by the sun. Evaporation is when the sun heats up the water, any body of water, and it rises, it'll rise and then it turns into evaporation. And it becomes water vapor. Condensation is when water vapor it cools and mixes with dust and forms a cloud. Precipitation is when a cloud gets too heavy and rain, sleet, hail, or freezing rain will fall.
Runoff is when precipitation falls on a mountain or hill and does not soak into the ground and just rolls into the ocean, lakes, or rivers.
Groundwater is when precipitation soaks into the soil and gathers up.
Transpiration is water vapor coming off of leaves and plants. That is water vapor.
Without the sun, the water cycle is powered by the sun. If we did, it is controlled by the sun. If we didn't have the sun, we wouldn't have a water cycle.